Absolutely not. No? That's the whole purpose of the joint circular, no? Kasi yung joint circular is supposed to limit the use of the confidential funds. Ibig sabihin, maaari lang gamitin yung confidential funds in the way allowed by the joint circular. Yun nga yung napapanood natin ngayon, di ba? Yun yung basically sinabi ng COA na they did not follow the joint circular requirements and therefore merong misuse of confidential funds. So, yung mga nagsasabi na the use is totally discretionary, that's wrong. No? Hindi tama yun. Kahit confidential funds yun, kahit intelligence funds yun, they are not discretionary funds. Hindi sila slush funds. No? They can only be used according to the limitations provided by the joint circular.